Disney Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Calling all pals. Mickey looks out the clubhouse window. The sky is blue. The sun is shining. He checks the weather on his cell phone.
Come on, Pluto,
he says.
I bet the gang would love to go for a hike today. Let's call Minnie. Hi, Minnie. It's a great day to go hiking. Think we could round up all our pals?
Oh, what a wonderful idea, Mickey. I'll call Daisy and I'll bring some snacks too. Minnie checks the time on her phone, buys some strawberries, and hurries out of the Moo Mart. On her way to the clubhouse, Minnie calls Daisy. Daisy is in her garden playing music to help the flowers grow. Hello, Daisy. Would you like to go hiking today? Bring your music. Meanwhile, Mickey calls Goofy, but Goofy doesn't answer. Mickey leaves a message. Next, Mickey calls Donald to invite him. Donald thinks a hike sounds like fun, but he needs to go home first to get his gear. He checks the time on his phone.
I'll be ready in half an hour. Hot dog, meet us at the clubhouse as soon as you can.
Minnie and Daisy meet Mickey at the clubhouse. Mickey calls Goofy again. He still doesn't answer.
Gosh, where's Goofy?
Mickey wonders.
It's getting late.
Donald arrives and everyone heads to the telescope to see what they can see. It looks awfully quiet at Goofy's house. The pals decide to investigate. At Goofy's house, Mickey finds his missing friend fast asleep.
No wonder he's not answering his phone,
says Mickey. Well, we can't go hiking without Goofy, says Minnie. Let's try to wake him up. She calls Goofy's name, but he just smiles and rolls over. Next, Daisy plays music near Goofy's ear. Goofy keeps on sleeping. Donald plays a silly button on his phone. Goofy just snores. Then Pluto licks Goofy's face, and Goofy wakes right up.
Hiya, Goof. It's me, Mickey. Where are you? Can you come hiking with us?
While everyone piles in the car, Mickey checks his phone to make sure they're heading in the right direction.
Hot dog,
says Mickey.
We all made it. Get your cameras out. It's going to be a great afternoon.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram. See you next time.